Hey y'all, it's Nicole with Living Well Properties, and I am in Trinity Falls today to check up on my awesome client's Webb build, and we are very close to being completed. So they are almost done with the bricking on the outside, and the inside it's really coming along. So I'm gonna flip this around and we're gonna walk inside and see what we can see. Let's go. So as you can see, they have your garage door up and it's mostly painted. That's not completed yet, but mostly painted. And most of the brick, they're just missing that top peak up there. And it looks like they've got all the way around the sides and everything. And they've got stone up. So that's very cool. Awesome. Oh, neat. This looks so good. Okay, so you can tell that this has not been painted. It will be, obviously, at some point, pretty quick. Once they're done with this bricking part, they can paint everything. So this is a first. I'm actually going through the front door. How exciting. Awesome. Okay. So straight in to the right, this is a 2-bed, 2-bath house. This is one full secondary bath. Okay, lights and mirrors are in. I don't believe we've got electricity yet, but that's okay. We will one day very soon. Awesome sauce. Okay, so when you're at the design center, it's really tough sometimes to choose between tiles and accent tiles and all this, but they did such a good job on picking this out. I think this looks amazing. So just in case that's not coming through the video, those are like grays and tans, and it's a really nice neutral color, but it gives it that little extra pop in a secondary bath to put that trim in the shower. Very cool. Okay, so I can see that it's been painted in here, so that's really pretty. Nice neutral color. That was another hard choice. There's so many paint colors, and one little swatch is really difficult to choose a whole house color from, but my clients did an amazing job. Really, really nice. And then this is just a little coat closet here. All right, right up to the left is the laundry room. Oh, we've got your mud bench installed. That is awesome. Doors have been painted. This looks so good. It'll be even better once they have the AC on and lights. This is the laundry room. Really nice. Golly, it's hard to see. There we go. The cabinets above the washer and dryer. Love, love, love the tile you guys picked. That is super fun. And that closet there houses the HVAC system. Over here is an office. Really pretty. Looking really good. Okay. And then into the main space. Looks like they have completed your island. Wow. The last time I was in here, guys, they were working on that cabinet straight ahead, and that looks so good. So this is an elevated counter from what's in their model. It looks so good. They can put taller stools here. That is so pretty. And I'm not sure where those cabinets are supposed to go, but sure we'll figure it out as we're walking through. Love the backsplash tile and the door hardware that they chose. This is so pretty. The cabinet color, like everything, guys. They chose every single element of this house. The cabinet style. There's the pantry. It's a nice big pantry. Awesome. But yeah, I mean, you can lose sleep over choosing colors like this, but it's so much better once you get it all together, once it's in. And then you can see how it all just flows. So nice. Oh, there's a crushed granite sink, single basin. Upgrade. Really nice. And then this is all the open living space, and then they have a sunroom here. So pretty. And then their dining space. And back into the master bedroom. So pretty, with a pop-up ceiling in the middle. And Nice, okay. So we knew that the tile was in last time, but I don't know that their shower heads were, but the rain head is in, the most important shower head. And the other, I like that one too, that you can pull it down. Very nice. And the pebble floor, very cool. Oh yeah, okay, so this is new. I think the lights were up last time, but the mirrors were not. So very, very cool. Really, really love that. And many times at the design center, they give you like 2 choices for your bathroom countertop. And they chose the lighter one, and I think it looks really, really good. It looks so pretty, guys. You did a great job. And then we have the water closets. It's nice that there's cabinets above. That's not always included. We have a little linen closet here. Great storage space. And then the master closet. They have your rods up. Very cool. Got lots of hanging space. All right, we're gonna go check out the back patio and wrap this up. I am in love with all of your choices, guys. They look so good. And then I love that Del Webb includes. They did not have to extend this patio. It's a massive, really long patio with plenty of room for the grill, and which will go on that wall where that thing, I can't think, the gas is plumbed for the grill right there. And then they have all the space for furniture. Ugh, so cool. Looks really good. Okay guys, that wraps up the tour for this week. The house looks absolutely fantastic. I love, love, love all the choices that you have made, and I'm so happy I got to be a part of this with you. Super exciting. You're gonna be closing and moving in here before you know it. So excited. If you are watching for the first time, I am Nicole Roan. I work for Living Well Properties, and this is the kind of service we offer our clients. If you are buying new construction, we walk through the entire process with you. So if you're looking to buy a new home, build a new home, buy an inventory home. In this market, there's only inventory homes, it seems like. I am happy to work with you and help you throughout the entire process. Give me a call, text, or email, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.